Got one.
What's up, bitch?
Got one. Got one. Oh, nice black, nice drum. Nice drum, guys. I got a nice drum on. Got a nice drum on. Nice drum. Yeah. I knew I was getting bit right there. Got him in the net. Yeah. Woo, there we go, baby. Nice drum, man. Look at that drum, guys. Look at that drum. Nice on a little white grub. Put up a good fight, man. Believe it or not, contrary to popular belief, these are very good eating. Very good eating. That sucker's feisty. Let me get him off the hook, show him to you guys. Hit him right at the bank. I knew I had seen him. Hold up. Yeah, guys, look at that guy. Look at that drum. Beautiful fish, man. Look at the colors on him. Beautiful fish. About to throw him back. I knew I wasn't tripping, man. I kept getting hit right there. That's what was right there. Nice little drum. About to get him back in that water. If I was back home, he'd be a sandwich. I tell you that. Get your ass back in there. There he goes. Hell yeah. Good drum, guys. See if we can get another one, man. I mean, I knew I wasn't tripping, man, because he thumped it. Started swimming the first time. I was like, let me bring it right back through there. Oh man, look at that. You gotta offset that hook a little bit too, guys. That's just a tip. I don't know if that's focusing, but you gotta offset that tip on them fish. Something I didn't do. I normally do. I mean, he's sitting right there in the bank. Right there in the bank. Who knows? He may have followed it in. Who knows? See if we can get a big one or something. Big one of those. That would be tough. Just get back right. Get our landing area back right. Watch, got hit. Ooh, got one. White bass. Or is this a largie? What is this? Ooh, nice crappie. Ooh, look at that crappie, guys. Man, look at that crappie right there. Good crappie. He's lucky. He is lucky, boy. That don't got no grease with me. Look at that guy. He's definitely legal. Look at that crappie. They said there weren't no crappie in here. Look at that beauty, man. Praise God, man. Look at that beauty. Look at that. I got hit. Got him. Another crappie. Ooh, this is a big crappie. If it is one. It's a big crappie if it is one. Oh yeah, that's a slab, dude. That's a slab daddy right there. I'm killing these crappie on this red and white right here. Look at that, boys. Good crappie, man. This fish just got hooked really bad. See, it's almost out. There we go. Got it out. Let's get him back in the water. I think he'll make it. Watch him swim off. Oh yeah, he's gone. Look at that. He's gone. Ooh, got him. We got one. I think this. Ooh, good crappie. Good crappie. Look at him. Look at him surfing on in. Look at him. Good crappie. Bring your ass in here. Look at that crappie right there, boy. Ooh-wee. I switched that red and white. I got hit in a couple casts. That red and white might be the go-to right there. Look at that crappie. Good crappie, man. Beautiful. Look at that guy. So beautiful. About to throw him back. Look at that crappie. Good crappie. Man, they like that red and white. Yeah, I think they like that red and white right there. About to cast right back out there. Watch, got hit. Watch, got hit. Ooh, got him. Got him. Oh, yeah, look at that big crappie. Oh, look at that big crappie. That's a big crappie right there, boys. That's a big crappie right there. Ooh, that's a big crappie. Or is that a bass? Oh, that's a crappie. Dude, that's a huge crappie, guys. We just landed a freaking... Oh, man, that's a big crappie. That's about a 2-pound crappie right there. Ooh, look at that crappie. Get your ass in here. Oh, yeah, look at this crappie. Gonna keep him in the spring right here to keep him healthy. Look at this crappie, boys. Look at that crappie. That's a big crappie. Let me get him up here on the camera. That's a big crappie, baby. Guys, look at that crappie right there. That's a slab. That's a slab. That's a good like 13, 14-inch crappie. That's like a 1.5 pound or a 2-pound crappie right there. Guys, look at that fish. Look at that slab, man. Straight slab. Look how big he is. That's a straight slab right there. I'm about to get the release.